changing the workspaces in AutoCAD can be very useful. Let's say I have a project that I'm working on and it contains both 2D and 3D drawings. I can change between these workspaces. How can I do that? Well, make sure it's turned on. If it's turned off and if you don't have this option, you can click on this arrow in here and make sure workspace is ticked. If I tick it, it will be gone. If I tick it back, it will be shown. So as you can see, I'm on drafting and annotation. If I click here, I get 3 options which are default by AutoCAD program. Maybe you'll have more because you had some previous versions of the AutoCAD, maybe 2015 and so on, but on default you have these 3 options. If I choose this one, I will have different ribbon and different tabs. If you don't know what's a ribbon and tabs, I recommend that you would watch my first video, which is the user interface. This allows me to work on 2-dimensional, and the other one, which is 3D modeling, which is the full 3-dimensional drawing. As you can see, it has totally different options and different features. If I want to go back to my original drawing, I choose drafting and annotation. If I made a certain change in my workspace or my current workspace, I can save it. I'll show you. If I drag this in here, this will be called as a sticky ribbon or sticky panel or sticky feature, let's say. If I wanted to work on these things and I want to use this one as well on the same time, I can save it. How do I do that? I just come in here and save current as. I will name it as, let's say, exe and save. This will be my current workspace. If I go back in here, it will be gone, the sticky panel. Another way to hop between the workspaces is if I come in here and click, I will have all these 3 defaults and this one that I created right now, and this file will be available in my description box.